FS FHD series is a modular solution for high-density fiber distribution and cable management across data centers, FTTx networks, and enterprise cabling scenarios. As a key component, FHD PLC splitter cassette enable efficient signal splitting with outstanding optical performance. In addition, its customizable options such as connectors, distribution types, and split ratios adapt to diverse application needs. Fully compatible with all FHD enclosures, it fits seamlessly into FS's 1U, 2U, and 4U enclosure configurations for both rack mount and wall mount applications. For rack mount applications, FS offers various enclosure solutions for diverse capacity and maintenance needs. The open modular rack offers a cost-effective solution for high-density fiber management. Its unique one-piece structure simplifies installation and cable routing, enabling efficient deployment. The fixed rack mount enclosure features a durable, compact design that supports efficient cable management in high-density applications. Its tool-free installation enables fast setup and streamlined deployment. The sliding rack mount enclosure features a front access pull-out drawer design. This greatly enhances cable routing efficiency and ensures a cleaner, more organized fiber management experience, especially in high-density environments. For wall mount enclosures, it supports flexible installation and centralized management, making it a reliable choice for floor distribution areas and other space-constrained environments where organized fiber routing is essential. Together with the FHD system's clean cable management and clear port labeling, the FHD PLC splitter cassette enables efficient, reliable fiber distribution in high-density PON networks. Visit FS.com for more information about FS PON network solution,